Hi, this is Erin Nielsen, and I'm going to show you how to split your tabs so you can look at two windows side by side and teach it to your students. So, on your own PC or on the district computers, you'll find that there's some type of rainbow icon that looks like this, like it's a rainbow waffle. It might be located up in your bookmark bar. It might be an icon on your desktop. If all else fails and you can't find it, you can always just open a tab and you can do a search, because we're going to go to the Chrome Web Store and order to find our two extensions in order to split our screens. If the kids are on a Chromebook like I am, they can just go down to the launcher. That's this icon in the bottom left-hand corner. And when they click on that, they'll be able to just double click on the web store icon, and there's a shortcut that'll take them right there. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'll just take it this way since I already opened that tab. And we're going to do a search for two extensions. One is called Tab Scissors, and the other is going to be called Tab Glue. And they'll actually come up together when you search them. Now you can see that I actually already have these extensions added. Shows right here that they're added. And so instead of having this blue Add to Chrome button, I have this button that says Rate It. If you don't have this added yet as an extension on your own PC or computer, or your students haven't added it onto any of the Chromebooks, then they would just press the blue Add to Chrome button, and then it'll add it up into the extension section on your browser, which is located to the right of your Omnibox. This is called your Omnibox. And then to the right would be all of the extensions. You can see that I have quite a few. This is what the Tab Scissors icon will look like when it's added onto your extensions on your browser. And this is what the Tab Glue icon looks like. And so in order to use them, basically any tab that you have open, so right now I'm open at the Chrome Web Store. When I click on that scissors icon, all of the tabs to the left of the open tab, they'll get tiled together and split, justified off to the left. So you'll see, I'll go ahead and press on it, and you can see that it actually splits them up. So now everything is off to the left from the Chrome Web Store tab and over. If I want to put it back all together, I click on the glue and it'll put it all back together. So I can show you, let's say I go over to my mail and I want to split from the mail tab, everything to the left. I want it in a separate window. I can click on the scissors and it will put them on two different windows. I have to be honest that sometimes it's a little temperamental. Sometimes you'll find that on the Chromebooks, the kids will split with the scissors. And then when they go to press the tab on the left-hand side, it opens up wide. And well, that's not very useful when you're trying to split the two windows. What you'll have to teach them to do is they'll have to take the corner and they'll have to drag the window back in order to have them be side by side. Usually when you do that one time for that Chromebook, it's like you've trained the icon, the extension, and it won't do it again. But just in case that happens, you will have to teach your kids that they'll have to drag this window over. And so basically I'm going to put it back together, and there you have Tab Scissors, Tab Glue. Very useful extension, and one that once I showed my kids, they use it quite a bit. Hope it helps.